All right, so we're back. We're back. This is Aaron Truth, aka Truth, aka Wall Street, aka Cookie. Yeah, I know it's crazy, right? That's the name I picked up when I was back when I was what 20, early 20s or something, working on Wall Street, and it was lunchtime, and all the brokers, we would go eat and stuff like that. I stayed in the office, and I had some chocolate chip cookies. I took those cookies and I put them in the microwave for like 10 seconds. They were like hot, like bacon hot. You could smell it. They were like, oh, it smells like fresh baked cookies. Who is that? It smells so good. And I told them what I did. I said, you can take some, you take a cookie and you can like kind of heat it up a little bit. It's great. And they're like, oh man, that's awesome. So the next day or the next week, fire alarm goes off in the building, the whole building. And we're all out of the building, and we're like, was it a real, what happened? Was it a real, what's going on? A drill? What is this? It's crazy. We all had to get off the phone. Oh, yeah, come back in, and then the boss says, yeah, we found, that somebody had left cookies in the microwave, and like burned it up, and, smoke went out, and then the fire alarm went off. I'm like, what? And they're like, did you do that? Like, huh? What? 10 seconds? 10 seconds doesn't burn a cookie. It doesn't make any sense. You stand there, you wait, you take it out. Besides, I didn't have one today. I didn't have one since last week. So somebody else did it. So I'm like, yeah, right. And then one guy admitted it. And then after that, I'd come back from lunch and there'd be cookies on my desk, and it's just that stuff. So, and that's kind of how I had that name on Wall Street, as Cookie. All right. Yeah, I was going a little bit nuts over algo shooting up like that. Then I thought about, what I was saying was it would hit two, not here, down here, this area, which is about where it kind of stopped before it moved to the next hour. So it stayed there in this zone for quite a while. I was able to get out right there. I didn't want to stay in it. I was just short term, just one quick trade. And that's what I want to do with the crypto. I mean, I don't want to maybe I'll start doing that. Maybe I'll start, buying and holding a little more. Yeah, that was nuts. So we're back up, and I'm decided to take this time, before I went to sleep, before I went to bed. It's about midnight, and, I decided I would go ahead, maybe just see what's going on. Not organized by the gainers or anything. Just going to be in alphabetical order, starting with AAAG. No, just going to say sometimes I don't know the names of it. Maybe I'll go through the list next time. I mean, I can kind of care less. I'm looking at the chart. I mean, this is what we're doing. We're not taking an approach where we're thinking about anything social going on. Okay. We're not thinking about anything that has to do with any fundamental thing of what it does, whatever. What we look at here is we're only looking at the chart itself. We're taking all the information, on it, all the information that the chart is giving us, and nothing more, nothing less. Okay. In my strategy and the way I trade, and I've been trading since 2000, about 13, 12, somewhere in there. I have to maybe double check the exact day. My first trade was really in 2005. But I don't really count that at all. That's just a trade. But, when I think of trading experience, I go really from 2012, 2013, which it's fine, whatever. It's just a few years of trading. In other words, it is experience. It's enough experience to where it has allowed me to be profitable, at not long ago, but, sort of recent, where I began to just nail trade after trade after trade after trade. I would have streaks, 9-day streaks of trading, 30 trades straight without a loss. And I began to realize that, I really, really, really may be onto something. And I started to just hone in those skills, perfect the strategy, brush up here and there, and make it as optimized as possible. And make it also teachable as possible, where it's not just me benefiting from the strategy, but other people can benefit as well, because I understand what it's like losing money and how frustrating it is as a trader when you just don't feel the rhythm and you don't know where, and sometimes people that come in, you don't know where to begin. So this could be a good starting point for you. I think so. I was more leaning towards experienced traders in enhancing their returns, increasing their profits. I found that I could pretty much do both. It's okay. I can not total beginner, like, you know, like clicking on buy, sell. Okay. I assume that you already know those things. You already understand what a short is. You understand what going long is. Okay. Just to, you know, the basic stuff, that you do have some kind of straight trading experience. Okay. Whether you've made money or not, it doesn't matter. Okay. You're here. And if you are here, you are going to put dollars into your pocket, working with me. So, let's get this going. I don't know how long it's going to take. So it's probably going to be an hour like the last one. I don't know. So just fundamental wise. Okay. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. This double top, boom. Yes. Signal. So what I'm going to do is I go through the different time frames. This that I'm using right here, this is not the Ichimoku this time. Last time I think I did the videos of Ichimoku. This one isn't. This is similar to it, but it's a little more accurate, gives you less false signals. It really puts where the support and resistance levels are according to the parameters I've set. Yeah, I don't see this one. I mean, I expect this one to pretty much continue its direction. Yeah, it's going to continue its direction, as a sell, as a short. Don't know how far. I would say no further than here, but I mean, probably already kind of hit bottom. I would wait and see if this thing consolidates, sideways. Let's see if it does this a little bit. Okay. That's what I would wait to see, on AAV. I gotta look it up what it even stands for. So I'll study charts. They're not names, none of that stuff, but I'll start, getting familiar with them then. All right. So we're going, if I start with the 30-minute, this is ACH. Okay. Okay. Oh, this could be, not saying yet, but that right there, hold on. This right here may be the bottom. Possible. I wouldn't bet on it necessarily, but I would just watch this. That might be the bottom. Let me see. The pattern here, down, extension. Well, let's see. This just came through here. Right here, it's going to get pulled up. This is flat. Yeah. I would say maybe this might be the bottom. Now, if this comes up back in here, you should expect it to hit about here. So if this does come back 75 cents, you should expect it to hit the 88. And that's that. Next one, 88. This is very powerful here. Oh, because it has that on there, it makes this null and void. That's why it broke through. Yeah, okay, I remember that. And this broke through here. I expect this to continue down as a sell. See how it's staying right along that 382? Yeah. Continue to see a drop in this pair. Don't need to go any further than that. And here's algo. Let's see what's going on with algo. Would I get back in algo? It's right here. I would get back in it. Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's already completed. This is really no fundamental reason why I should really, now that I think about it. I don't have a reason. I mean, I want to, and I think I should. Like, maybe I'll get this, but I just don't expect this to go beyond this point here. So, because this is already fulfilled, so it has nothing to do with anything anymore. I've got a big double bottom. Yeah, so, you have support. You have support. So, yeah, I mean, you can. I wouldn't expect this thing to bottom out. It seems like it already has. So, yeah, this is just really interesting seeing that. AMP, let's see what's going on with AMP. Looks like we got a pattern ABC extension. Yep, that's the bottom. At that point, this should come back here. When this passes up at the 55 cents, that is, I would keep it up until about, I would watch here for here and that next line. I would say it's probably not going to make it out of that, but come out. So it should go something like this. I know it's crooked. Not the best with a mouse, you know. That's if, you want to hold this for a while. Get off me. Jeez. So you want to hold this for a while. If it moves any faster, it's going to get smacked down because you cannot push through the cloud directly. If the price pushes directly at the cloud, it gets knocked down, as we saw with algo. All right. See how this had happened? It caused what? To fall back into the cloud. Okay. Just got out of this thing a second ago. All right. So you see what I'm telling you. I didn't even think of this, but you see what I'm telling you, right? Pushes through the cloud, especially in a situation like this. It always comes back inside the cloud in that situation. The only way that this can get through the cloud, it has to go this way at an angle. Angle of entry. Safe. It's like a safe zone for price. Like a safe way for price to enter and exit. Like here. Okay. I'm just showing you examples so you haven't gotten it yet. Here. Those are areas where the cloud allows the price to come in. Okay. If it comes in some other way, cloud takes over, smacks the price back down. Doesn't care how strong it gets. Smacks it back down because this is resistance. Okay. Now, even though it's gotten through, which is great, it closed outside of it, that area becomes support, but it brings it back. This is flat. Whenever an area, you see an area flat like that, it always draws the price to it. Let's see. So this is using some of the strategies, not using my full strategy. I sell my full strategy as a RSAI course. It's a strategy course if you want to be independent, if you want to make a ton of money, if you really want to be a serious trader with this, you're going to have to get the course. It will teach you all the little knickknacks, all the little innuendos. What do you call it? The nuances of trading. Okay, all the nuances and the little strange weird stuff. that you will experience as a trader, and you will go through. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So here's another example. All right. So we have a harmonic. Okay. Price comes here, forms a harmonic. Support. PRZ. Potential resistance zone. I mean, reversal zone. On top of that, still within, excuse me, within the double top, bounces off, hits the cloud, gets smacked back down, comes back down, drops below. Now this becomes, a lot of times this will become resistance, and once support is broken through, it's going to be hard for it to get back inside. I'm surprised it's even inside this area. From this corner of the triangle, that's actually a good thing if you're buying it. If you're shorting it, no, I would wait for it to get past this line to short it again. For the double bottom, it's saying that past this line, you can let it kiss that when it bounces off. You can short that. Okay, that's another way to do it. I would wait for this green line also to cross below that red there. We got a red cloud ahead. That's good news, but this top part is flat. That is bad news for the shorts. Okay. So I wouldn't do anything with it personally. Atom, boom, down. All right. Smack it down, smack it down. As soon as that crossed right here, or right in here, I'd short it. Would have been here when we come back though. But we are down back here, so it would have been a while, right? But actually the short would have been from me here, especially when this is a red under red. Actually, this is red under green. That's actually under, wait a minute. Part of that cloud, is that the red part? That's the red part. So it is a red under red. You can expect a continuation down. This is actually what I call a 3-call switch. I teach that in the RSAI course. Let's see. Yeah, it's just going to continue down. I don't see this turning around. I don't see this turning around. Unless something happens. With these small little, that's these strange ones where it's, you know. I think this is I was just about to say this, and I clicked it. I was about to say, this looks like a harmonic. See, because I've seen these things so many times. You know, sometimes I don't even need the computer to identify it. My eye already sees it. I've seen it a billion times. I don't even know why I even use an indicator. I mean, I use it to teach. Yeah, I have to use it to teach you guys. But I mean, if I was just trading on my own, you know what it would be? A line in a chart. That's it. Just a line. I would be trading with a line, and I would be just, you know. But anyway, when you take the course and then when you graduate the program, you'll be able to trade. That's how you'll be able to trade. Okay. Down. Yeah, this is broken this out, and then it turned red. They would go ahead and short that, and it's past it. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh, I thought they said Bitcoin crash. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. So we got this. Oh, okay. Now we know exactly where this is. This is gonna go to the low, guys. This is going down to 471. Bitcoin Cash headed to 471. Alert, alert. Woo, woo, woo. All right. That sounded so. Okay. All right. Let me be quiet. Let's see. Where's the measuring stick? Let me measure this thing. Oh, it's 8 inches. Okay, so 8,000. All right. Ticks or pips or whatever. Ticks or pips. So this should go down. It's going to be 80. Where is it? Oh, it's down. Okay. From here to here. 80, like 80, yeah, $80. So I'll be shorting Bitcoin Cash right now. Take this one out, take this one out. I take some off the list that were like repetitive. Let's see if I see something down on this end. I mean, I'd like to find, this had the failure one. Okay, so this failed. You want to short. This is going to be short also. You got a bat pattern down here that looks like it's empty. Uh-oh, we've got a bat pattern. I have to really look at that. Hold on. Let's find out what's going on with this. I need to know what that situation is right there. Okay. Okay. All right, I'll see what's going on. Something like that. Okay. It might even be up here. Oh no, it's probably this one. And then, no, it's, yeah. Okay. So this right here tells me, let me back up. Price is headed. This is Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin crash is coming. I think I see another one. Jeez. Oh boy. Yeah, this one's gonna be tough, guys. This one is going to be tough for me. Trying to identify the patterns that are not seen here. Butterfly. Completely left naked and open. Because this trend was so strong. So now it's gotta, and it's slow, and it's gotta fulfill these patterns. So Bitcoin crash is coming. Sorry, guys. Oh, look, it's already turning. I didn't even see that. Look, look. Already turning. So we're going to hit about, hit this green line. About right. What's going on with it? About right up in here. I don't know what number that is. 43. You want to be shorting this. It's got to hit this before it heads any higher, okay? So I wouldn't buy Bitcoin right now. It's just, can't say I didn't warn you. This is crazy, right? All the label. I'm sorry. I'm just so used to it. To me, it's normal. You know, my head is just jumbled up, but I know where everything is, so it doesn't matter. It's organized in my mind. Okay. Yes, yes. Failed. Okay. We got man, what is this? CLV? Yeah, we got a couple of open, harmonics here. That's gonna be a problem. We're gonna be on this one for a while. I'll tell you that much. This has each pair trades differently. Okay. The harmonics that are structured by that price and nothing else. So it's gonna show me based on the harmonic. I'm gonna be aware of how this is really trading. When you see these broken ones, you know, did not fulfill, did not come up about right here, right there. It should have at least hit this line. Okay. There's a tiny little fly. Where's it coming from? This little. Huh. I got a window open. Sometimes I have my window open. Okay. So, and then they're drawn to the light. Yeah. Drawn to the light. Oh, you know what? Let me move this. Yeah. Okay. I'm drawn to the light. And the screen. Yeah. What are you gonna do about that? Shark cipher. Boom. It's broken. There's another. This is fulfilled. There's one here that's fulfilled by that. That's fulfilled. There's a double bottom was broken because it was fulfilled, right? So the double bottom didn't need to be, not because it's attached to the shark. It's a part of it. Okay, that fly's dead now. So tiny, super tiny. And then it comes up. See what I'm telling you? Smack down. Continues down here. I mean, when this thing came in here and got back into the cloud, short that bad boy. Short that thingy. I mean, you would have made, I mean, you know, come on, make some money. So what's going on is, now this is open. I'm looking for anything else that's open. These are closed. Close. All right. Patterns, prices do not like to leave harmonics naked. Okay. They like to be covered. See how there's one here. There's a shark right there. See? Green. Oh, maybe I'll let you see it a little better. Here to here. Here to here. To here. Okay. This was closed. I'd like to say closed, and I got the clothes on, right? And then like to be, this one's naked and open. It's unfulfilled or naked. All right. So it's like the clothes ran away and price comes back to cover it. So what I would like to see is a double bottom. Let me make sure this isn't a double bottom. Just look at the different time frames. And you'll be able to see my phone's going off. Why? So you would be able to see, now I moved to this frame and I was able to find another hidden pattern, okay, that I didn't see here. It's a cipher. That's slanted, so it should, this is going to be a little more, it's going to be what I call a bear attack. And it's just, there's no green bar, it's just all red. I mean, it doesn't go up or anything. It's just straight down. I call that a bear attack. Okay. And this is where when I see a bullish harmonic form and the price breaks stop loss, which is down here, instead of going up, comes down, I call the bull misses the matador. That's kind of a thing that I just call it. Okay. Let's look at the 3rd hour. We got an ABC extension that was broken. This thing is just, the trend down is just so strong. See, this is why I got to check every time frame. Look what we got. This price is going to be, this price, when it double bottoms, okay? Oh my God, get in and you will bank. This is just getting primed and ready right now. See how that's angled up? Look at this. See how that's angled up? Look, it almost got through. It was so powerful. Almost got through. We got knocked down. It'll be back. It will be back. You mark my words. This is going to be back up here at 145. Without fail. All right. Here's a 30-minute of the same thing. You know, we just made these patterns over here. We've got a bat down here, double bottom. Oh, great. And then it fulfilled it. Now, you see this? I mean, in this forms, I'm like getting in and getting out. Look at this. I would hold it as soon as I get to that cloud, baby. Click. See ya. Made my money. So, Conclusion here is we want to wait for a double bottom. We want to wait for this to bottom out and start to turn back. Start to turn back, and it's going to make it all the way up to about I believe 154. I think. Am I right or am I wrong? I mean, I would say between 145 and 155. I'll just go on the low end. I don't know how far that thing's going to drop down. So it's going to drop for now. It's going to go sideways, I'm sorry. Probably sideways. Somewhat down sideways, probably. I do millions of charts. Billions of charts. I would sit here and watch chart replays for 3 hours like a madman. I'm insane. There's like no spread on this. It's incredible. What is this? COM? Man, then you got this. That's okay. Wow. I mean, what I'm looking for, I'd like to see a double bottom if I can. Hold on. Double bottom. There's nothing over here. This thing's just falling through. Yep. And it's just gonna do what it's gonna do. Alright. Ooh, imagine you catch that. Short right there. Headed down to about this point here. About right there. Or so. Something like that. Down you go. This got fulfilled and it took off, and now it's going for this last one that's empty. Bat pattern, but it's already fulfilled, so I don't care about it. This is dash, sorry. Double bottom, whoo, up to the top. Wow. Look, that's nice. Isn't that nice? You didn't imagine that one. It comes down here. So this is headed to that green line. Once I hit this green line, it's going to bounce off. Okay. So I would wait for this to hit that, or you can short it from here, whatever you want to do. 153, buy it at 153.96 if it hits 153.96. The doji. I was in and out of Doge a couple times. Another pattern just hit up, I'm down, and it hit this. Oh my god. I would have been shorting these, man. Down. Nothing I can say about it. Okay. Oh. We might have a bottom right here. I'd buy this, get out right here. If it breaks 38.06, the 38 flat, if it breaks it, just get out of it. But I would buy this here, and expecting it to go, continue on up to about, oh, I already said it, 53. Okay. We already know that one. So that's a good buy. That's a good buy. Wish this was Doc. I'll write that down. Market is at 41.02. And you want to get out of there 53.90. All right. I like those. I like the buys, not the sells. Not really. I mean, that's something spike. I'd short it, sort of thing. But it's just, anyway. Yeah, you do what you want. You buy, you sell. The broken down, still continuing down. How far will it go? I don't know. How far will it go? Let's see where they go. I don't know when I drew this, but was I right or was I freaking right? When was this? October? Yeah, go look at that video. I said it would do this and it goes flat. Look at it, it's been flat forever. I look back at my old predictions and I shake my head. Just how right I was. Like, it's like, I just knew it was gonna happen. I just laughed. Oh my gosh. Bored. This is boring. What is this? Who's holding it? It's just, oh man. I've got no action. Look, this is completely, this was left open. It's still going down. It'll take forever to come back. It'll come back next year. Alright, Phil was the one I also liked that one, I think it was. Oh, it broke through. Yeah, it broke through, so I would have been out of the trade. Yeah, it's broken. I would have been out of the trade, so good thing I didn't get in. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, yeah, wasn't ready. The graph, the graph, the graph. That's fulfilled, so it doesn't matter though. Same situation. It's following Phil, but ICP. Y'all will come back, trade this. So I will come back and check next week or something. Give it a few days, let some things form up, some things happen, and we will look for more opportunities. But I like Dot. Dot is the one to get in right now, for sure. The one to get into. That one gets me excited based looking at that chart. That one really gets me wanting to get into that. I try not to at the moment. Got some things I need to pay for, and then once I'm done with that, I can put the money, whatever's left, and put it back in there. Look at that. Look at that. What is this? Ooh, jeez. Look at that. And it's right on that line too. It's incredible. That's incredible. It looks like a bounce off of that. If it can get back inside this, come here. Oh, we are in the money. It hits 30. I gotta hit it, but it has to hit it before November 2021, 3 a.m. It has to hit. It's got to get to $30. If it doesn't make it there, and it does it later, you better short it. Okay, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Look at that. Oh man, a good short right here. But I don't know how far because I don't have any open harmonics back there to go by unless it's in a lower time frame. I'd have to change. Let's see, July. I gotta go all the way back to July. Like, look and see when I go to lower time frame, pushes me forward. Oh man, I gotta zoom in. Hold on. Where's my zoom? Is this my zoom? That's the icon. I gotta see what's going on here. I don't want it to shift. So this is the date, July 21st. It moved me. See, it moved me. Okay. Come on, man. There's gotta be something here. It's going down for a reason. Butterfly. That's been fulfilled. What's this? Wait a minute. Oh, that's a Head and Shoulders battle. It's just a Head and Shoulders there. Is that what it is? Let's see. See how you just gotta research. You don't know what you're gonna find. Always research. That's what we're doing. We're researching price action, okay? That's what it takes to be a good trader. You can't sit there and eat Cheetos and Munchies, doing nothing all day and expect yourself to be banking it. Unless you know someone, you know what I mean, that release some crypto. Yeah, I don't know how it works. You were whaling early or something. You got $500,000 to lose, throw around, and make it into several million or something. I don't see any open. Yeah, there's no reason harmonic wise why it should go down. I mean, it's going down, but it's going around for a different reason other than the one that we look for under our strategy. So we're moving on. LRC. I can catch my breath. Let's see. This is unfulfilled. This ABCD extent. So this is coming down. I mean, right away, I saw that right away. This will be coming down to that level there. 138 from 25, 238. We're going to lose $1 on it. So far. Now it can come down further, but that's not, I don't put my money down there. I put my money right here. Okay. LTC. Okay. Cross. The EMA. See the slow line, the fast line? It's saying a buy. It's saying this is a buy right now. Let me see. And it's above that, and it's closed above that. Yeah, this is a buy until you get about right here, 230, 207 to 230. So LTC is from 207 to 230. That's it. Get out. Mana. Let's see what we got. What's going on? What's going on? Jump all the way to 4 hour. Okay. Yeah, we see why it went up in a harmonic butterfly. With a butterfly into the back, fulfilled that. We got a double top, went right past it. Because the double top is too close. If it were further out, it would have gotten there, it would have stopped it. Too close. I mean, it's just nothing but bullish harmonics. It's incredible. This thing is just straight up. Yeah. Whatever, buy this, okay? This thing is what? Is it reaching its former? Man, it's going back up to 5. So, enjoy the trip to the moon. That's Mana, man. Alright, Matic. Oh. But we're gonna break? Or what? Might not. That might be a double. Let me see. Before I speak, I want to say double bottom, right? I want to say it. And it's ABCD. It's on every level. Wow. I think it got rejected. Price got rejected right there. What, below that line? Look, it got rejected. That's good news. That tail, that wick right here, this long wick, great news. Let's see if it holds. Now, if this holds above here, and then switches and passes this line, we're headed up. I don't know how far, maybe here. I would say about here, and it's probably, depends on how long it goes sideways. I would say it'd be a quick pop from 150 to 180. Matic, 150 to 180. That's it. I'll just play it safe. MAKR. Maker. Yeah, the R is after the K. Spaghetti-o. That's not good. That's not nice. Here to here. To here. Wait a minute. It's jacked up. This thing is jacked up. Look. Here. I would say probably here. Here. Into there. Anyway, regardless, nevertheless, we're looking at about right here. Not a crazy move. So we're looking at, it's going to be a short MKR short. Two, oh, 2844, 248. That's it. That's it. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I didn't get in this one. It just did a spike and that's it. And that's back then. Oh yeah, that's back then. So it should head up. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the bottom. Yeah. Get in. This is, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is on the list before. I didn't see it on Kraken. Is it on Kraken? I didn't see it on there. But either way, this is to 116. OGN. It's a definite buy here. And it's a godly this open. So actually it's gonna be here. About right there. You can go further. I'm not saying this is all it's gonna do. I'm saying that high probability, much higher than the rest. So it's much higher to go just here than to go right here. You know, it's high probability. Okay. That's where I would trade it to. Okay. And that's OGN from where was it now? 99, 930 at a 115. One day we will find it a way. There's a way, I know. I got to, who sent this Cascade or something? I'm thinking about a song. I like all types of music. All types. You know. Fulfilled. Yeah, these are fulfilled. So we're waiting for this one. This one's right now on queue. Should go about here and come down. So not much. 10 to 11, pretty much. Nothing exciting. OXD. I like to buy things, get into things with potential. We saw quite a few with some potential. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh no, this is slanted too much. It's too slanted for me, too slanted for my taste. Usually means that Ichimoku is probably right up against this. So, no, sorry. I'd wait for a double bottom. Some sideways, whatever. It could head down lower. Quant. So quick, same situation. Ren. Same situation. Same situation. Look at this. Skill. Okay, a little better. A little better. Oh, it's back inside. Really? It's green and a green. Oh, but it's below, right? Oh man, I can't tell. This has never happened where it's literally on the line like that. I don't even have a chart for that. Below. So it might not work out. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it's not going to go that far. So if it does go anywhere. So this may continue downward. Yeah. Let me see. Yep, hasn't hit 382 yet. Yep, I have to see it break the 382. Once it breaks 382, there's a little pullback within the 382, then I would absolutely get in. So not quite yet. Not ready yet. It's not ready yet. And then this bounced off short. Just go ahead and short that. Don't know how far. Nope. These are just, this one's open. So this is now completed, which I was saying the last time. I think I was saying on this one. So, would be a short. It was like right over here. Short, because this has to cover this. So it's going to hit that area. Like the red line. So that's where it's headed. Okay. Sushi. Broken. And then it, yep. Down. And this is the end of the list. The list is kind of like, oh, boo. Wait a minute. What did it say? It says, I think this will drop back under cloud immediately. What did it do? It went under the bar, but not the cloud. It bounced. Then it spiked one more time. Bounced, then bounced, and then went under the cloud, under my sign. When I said drop, went right through drop immediately. Oh my goodness. And look, and it stayed under. Okay. And it came back up and then dropped again. So, I said it would go, I don't know what that is. Didn't pass the arrow, came up. All right. I like seeing what I said before. No, it's, oh, it dropped. I thought it would go a little further. It stopped right here. But it's short otherwise. XLM. I think XLM I was a little interested in. Glad I didn't get in, because look, it broke the harmonic. So it only went up a little bit and then pulled back, and it's broke, and it can't get back in. So it's gonna head lower. There's something empty down here. We don't know. Is there something unfulfilled? See how these all fulfilled? Every last one of them. Just about. And if they don't, the price comes back later to tap it. Comes back to tap that ass. Okay. Let's see. It looked like something here, but it's small on that end, so nothing significant. That's it. YTZ. They were doing we're spending about a minute on each one, so it ends up being like 60 minutes. Yes. Pitch that. See, I told you. Keep telling you guys. So when it falls out of there, you short it. Down. Yes. Bottom. Here, we wait for it to get inside about 3,000, no, 31,000. What's it? Why? Okay. Don't care about it. Too high. Price too high. ZRX. Was fulfilled. Yes. Okay. And there's nothing else going on with that. I didn't check the daily on that. Well, I'll do it the next time. Because I had just checked it the last time. Maybe next week I'll check the daily. Daily. Downtrend. But not that far. Look. Yep. So. Alright, and that just about wraps it up for me. Hope it wraps it up for you. And I will see you guys next week. I have the Connect One Forex, which is the walking shoes trader, the trader corner. Gotta narrow down that name. Podcast that I do. If you guys are interested in Forex trading. Now, I may, depending on the views I'm getting, we'll see how it goes. I may do Forex, I'm not Forex, crypto alerts. I do Forex alerts, but I may do crypto alerts. Once I'm doing crypto alerts, I'll run like a free promotion, and then after a while, switch to a paid. It'll be, something per month, something small per month. And I would have an alert service, basically sending you alerts on the crypto pairs, to straight to your phone. Thinking I wouldn't have like this. I would probably do this maybe. Once I have that going, I probably wouldn't do it much. Maybe once a month or something. very randomly. But for now, I'm here, and giving you guys some of the trades that I would take, or taking, what I would do if I would face with that pair that we're analyzing. All right, so I'm out of here. I'm tired. It's past midnight. I better get some rest. Got a lot of work to do tomorrow. A couple reports to write up and everything. All right, so take care. I'm out of here. Aaron Truth, Connect One Forex Signals, and we are done. Peace.